It says in Ras Leela, one verse, Ashoka Dasika. Ashoka Dasika. Oh Krishna, we are your unpaid maidservants. Ashoka Dasika. The word there is in the Ras Leela, Dasika. Dasi means a servant. So you don't, when you're asking a question, I'm reading about Pragalpa and I like Lalita because I'm a little hot-headed, I'm a little bold, I'm a little proud, I'm a little harsh. I want to be a Sakhi like Lalita. But that can be there if you're in Nimbarki Sampradaya or something. But in Gaudiya Sampradaya, we're in Gopi Bhav, but the specific Gopi Bhav is Manjri Bhav, and Manjris are Dasis of Radharani. So our Bhav, we don't have Nayaka Bhav. We're describing Nayaka Bhavas. These are the bhavas and feelings and moods of Krishna's intimate, amorous lovers. The Manjris are not intimate, amorous lovers of Krishna. They're maidservants. They massage his feet, and they massage Radharani's feet, and they brush the hair. A servant. So there's no question. There's only one bhav and one mood for a servant, dasosmi. So the word kinkar means servant. Kinkri means female servant. So what does this word kinkri come from? Kim karomi. Kim means what, K-I-M, and karomi means what can I do. So Radharani's kinkari means what can I do? I did this service. Lalita asked me to make 5 garlands. I made 5 garlands. Okay, now, like a new bhakta, a really enthusiastic new bhakta that wants to do all kinds of service. He's like a God's gift to the temple commander. It lasts for about a month, At least it lasts until he gets initiated. Then it's lay back, kick back, jump back, talk back. I ain't doing it. Hey, come on. No, I'm initiated now. Watch out. I was all a ploy to get what I wanted. I made a fake show of humility just to get my little Brahman thread. So it's consistent. So that's what we develop. By reading about the Manjris and Gopis and how they're serving Krishna, we see how humble they are and how cooperative they are and how selfless they are. And our acharyas, they tell us that the Gopis, the Manjris, and especially the Manjris, are made of nothing but service. Service, service, service. So a Manjri, you could say, would be an ideal disciple, an ideal shishya, an ideal bhakta, would be a lady or gentleman, or a young man or young woman. They were simply made of service, 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 service. But that's transcendental consciousness. That's pure consciousness. Because now there's too much ego in the way. So, I did my service. They have this expression, I did my service. Now what are you doing? I'm doing my thing now. My service is one thing, and my thing is another thing. What's your service? It's life. If you ask a Manjri, hey Manjri, what's your service? Because often people ask each other in different institutions, hey Prabhu, or they say like that. Hey Krishnadas, what's your service? Everything. Every breath is my service. Every thought is my service. Every desire is my service. My life is service. What are you trying to say? What is my service? The real question is, what is not my service?